Since technology and artificial intelligence are developing rapidly day by day, we may all be vague about the future. But don't worry because welcome back to AI Signal. We always clear the way for you and show you the future. We are most powerful together because we are going to better understand the future with artificial intelligence in our lives. So, let's go to get acquainted with another artificial intelligence tool. With this tool, you can easily remove the background of all your images.
Okay, if you are ready, let's go, but don't forget to fasten your seatbelt and subscribe us.
Okay, to get us started, you need to go to the cutout.pro website. Here, you should choose Image Background Remover. After you enter the website, you just need to upload your image and just wait to see the result. And even you can remove the background of your videos or replace the background with anything else. To do this, you need to go back to the main page of the website, then select Remove Background from Video. And here, just upload your video, then just wait to see the result. From this section, you can choose your desired background.
Well, our trip is over and you can unfasten your seatbelt and prepare yourself for the next trip. Your constant companion, Captain AI Signal.